Hi again, YouTube. I'm Investor Josh. Each and every single day, I upload a new video in what I consider are the best stocks and cryptos to invest in today. I've been investing in the stock market for approximately 13 years now, and I first invested in Bitcoin back in 2013. So if you want to learn about cryptocurrencies and stocks, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to know what some of the best stocks and cryptos are to invest in currently, please scroll down and hit that subscribe button. And every single day, I'll upload a new video of what is the best stocks and cryptos to invest in today. Now, please, before we continue, do remember, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own due diligence and your own research. Today, I want to speak to you about an ETF which I'm involved in, which I'm invested in, which I think has done great things based on history for a long time now, and which can do great things moving forward as well. Now, this ETF is called VOO. You can get this. It is basically, you might have heard, for those of you, I'm kind of directing this for these people that are new to stock trading, but for those of us who are new, it is it's the S&P 500 essentially. So what the S&P 500 essentially is the 500 top stocks, 500, not 10, 5, the 500 top stocks out there, which combine up the S&P 500, which includes Tesla. Tesla is a recent addition to the S&P 500. And as you all know, Tesla is something that I'm very bullish on, one of the EV stocks, along with NIO. I think NIO Tesla over the next 12 months, especially NIO, you can easily double your money. But that's another video for another day, or you can just jot that down right now. NIO, N-I-O, and Tesla, potential double your money, especially with NIO over the next 12 months. Anyway, the S&P 500 or VOO, the VOO stock. Now this ETF, it has averaged over the last 10 years, if my memory serves me correctly, over the last 10 years, a 13.6% return on average. Now your bank, if you're lucky, your bank might give you 2%. If you're lucky, and most banks won't even give you 2%. Now, I'm not telling anyone not to have a savings account, but for me personally, if I want to have a savings account, it will be in VOO or QQQ, which is another video again. We're concentrating on VOO. Forgive me, I digress. But VOO is a 13.6% return on average over the last 100 and something years. It's been around 10%. I mean, you do have years where it's down 4% and whatnot. I'm talking an average return over a period of time. So this isn't something you want to put money into and be thinking to yourself, I'm going to make 13%, I'm pulling this out in a year. This is more for a longer term investing, for retirement investing, or you're looking at a 10-year investment plan or something like that. You want to buy something and you want to save some money up. It compounds each year. VOO is great for this. So it's easy because you don't have to buy 500 stocks. You don't have to think about what stock do I need to buy. It's all automatically done for you. It's a one-click investment. You can get it you can get it on Robinhood, Webull, eToro, all of those stock trading sites that we all use. If you don't, they're easy to sign up. I've got links down below for eToro. Depending on where you live in the world, you get 50 to 100 US dollars for free if you deposit between 100 and 200 US dollars, depending on where you live in the world. All the links down below and description on where specifically what you get for where you live is down below. For most of the world, deposit 100, you get 50. Deposit and trade with Qatar, some countries around there, you deposit 100, get 100. For Australia, you deposit 200 USD, you'll get 100 USD for free to trade with. All the links down below. For that, if you want to get involved in VOO, we're going to have a look at some charts now. We're going to see what VOO's done over time and see what we could do with this. If we invested when we're young, I'm 39, but if you invested in VOO when you're young, at say 18 years old, and you had a full-time job and you're putting away, say 10%, I say 10% is a good percentage. If you can save 10% of your pay, or not save, invest 10% of your pay every single week into something like VOO, by the time you're in your 60s, you're a millionaire. You've got well over $1 million. And you've kind of set yourself up if you don't spend your money in silly manners. But people talk about, how can I be a millionaire? How can I be a millionaire? Simple, invest in an ETF, something like VOO. It's very stable. It's got a massive history on return, currently giving over 13%, just over 10% on average for the last 100 years, over 13% for the last 10 years. I mean, it even made a profit last year with Corona. So it's a great investment. We're going to have a look at some charts now. So we are over here, and this is VOO. So we've got this set to max. So this is what it's done over, we're going to look at since 10th of September 2010, we were at $101. We are currently at $383. Obviously, if you're investing 10% each week, it compounds, meaning it grows and grows in a quicker and faster manner consistently. Look over here. What is this dip here? This looks like last year's Corona dip. All right. So this is when Corona all got announced. Around there in March, it dipped down. We were looking at 232. It's currently up well over $100 now, looking at 383 since that period. You can see that V-shaped recovery right there. That's a beautiful V-shaped recovery. And look at where we are at now. 383, we're up on the USD 4.04%, 1.07% for that last trading day. It's doing great things. Let's look at a smaller year to date. We were sitting at 341 on the 5th of January. And as you can see, 383 now. 6 months, 310, 383 now. Let's go 1 month. We're looking at, just to show you how, even over a 1 month period, it's gone up 359. And the market has been so volatile. If you're in an ETF, not an ETF, if you're in like a EV stock like Tesla or NIO, you would have felt the pain over the past few months. The pain that it's been associated with these stocks, massive, like 20% pullbacks. This had none of that. This didn't have those big drawdowns. Okay, 5-day period is up and down. It gets a bit sporadic, but you're looking at 1 day and out of market trading. I mean, you can see, let's go 1 year. You can see this a year ago, 7th of May, 267. This is making the Corona recovery, 283. I like the 5, we'll go to 5 years. You're looking at 187 to 383. You can see what I'm talking about here, guys. So VOO is an excellent stock if you want to limit your volatility. So that is VOO. As you can see, it has very limited volatility in comparison to a lot of these other things I talk about on this channel in regards to cryptocurrencies, which are up and down all over the place. They have the potential to make us massive profits, and they do when you're invested in the right ones. But if you don't like the drops that we've just seen with Bitcoin, it went from $60,000 to around $48,000 recently. If you don't like that kind of volatility, if you're more of you don't want to be waking up in the middle of the night, checking your phone, having a heart attack about how much money you potentially just lost, VOO is something that has got an excellent history of making profits. It is very stable. It represents the 500. It's great all around. When people in my family or close friends ask me what's something I can invest in where I'm not going to lose my money, I'll say VOO every time. Or VOO, it's an ETF, represents the 500. It's great. It really is. So that's what I do. I don't have a savings account. If I want some stabilized money, I'd have it in VOO because I'm almost 100% guaranteed, and nothing in life is 100%. But you're almost 100% guaranteed you're going to make a profit year after year or an average return on this. So if you're new to the game, if you don't know what to invest in, if you're looking out there, what can I invest? Don't want to lose my money. That's one for you to look into. Not financial advice. This has been entertainment purposes only. Please hit that subscribe button every single day. I'll come back with a new video of stocks and cryptos that I'm investing in. It's up to you to do your own research. So don't forget those links down below for free money on eToro. I have a coinspot.com.au link for Australian exchange of cryptos. You buy, use my link, you get $10 worth of free cryptocurrency in Bitcoin. And also I have another link for Stake, which is another stock trading app I use over there. use my link for stake, you'll get one free stock. It'll either be Dropbox, Nike, or GoPro. Thanks for watching, guys. Please come back again tomorrow. I'll have a new video for you tomorrow.